Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to show you this kit. Not necessarily that there's anything like, I mean, I love this old stuff, but it's not just because it's a Duesenberg or anything like that. And, what I want to get to with this video is where Monogram was at this time. This is, I believe, this is a copyright 1966. This is not a repop. This is a 1966. I found this at an antique store in Columbia, South Carolina. Got it for 24 bucks, I think I did. It was $29 and it was 20% off, I believe, so whatever the math is there. I don't know if you can hear that thunder outside, but it's about to rain. But anyway, in my opinion, I think at least, I would say even for today's standards, these are some of the nicest kits you can get as far as detail plus simplicity. Because I built one. I built not the Duesenberg. Let me grab it down from up here. I wasn't planning on doing this, but I built the, I think, 1939 Mercedes. Same era. This is also 1966. But this was one of the most, ooh, there's some thunder outside. But yeah, this kit was one of the nicest, most enjoyable kits that I've ever built. Turned out beautiful too. The paint absolutely looks great, and it's just, Monogram had it together. And I'll break it sure as the world trying to show it to you, but like, they just had their stuff together at this time. They really did well. Just such nice model kits. Again, I'm not specifically talking about the Duesenberg, I'm talking about the kit. And I just want to open it up and show you guys. If you ever want to build a kit, a model kit that's just can be stunning, and one that has such high quality, find you one of these older Monogram kits. It can still also be the newer ones. This, well, say newer, this is 1975, but they started with the museum pieces. Same model kits, same model kits. This is a Packard, but it's the same. What I'm saying when I say same model kits, same simplicity, same great quality. So they're 1/24 scale, and they're just beautiful. So I've already gone in here and separated everything. I won't show you like the glass and all that stuff, but one thing that there is one thing though that I would say made it a little difficult is the instructions. And I haven't even looked at these instructions, but the instructions for that were a bit vague because I had a lot of reading. I'm used to looking at the pictures, and it has pictures, but not like arrows pointing. So this, I guess the original may have come out in '63. Well, this is going to be a nice model kit. But anyway, the instructions have a lot of reading, and I've mentioned that on some recent videos, and I had some pretty good explanations of why manufacturers may have moved away from having so much reading, and probably was because of different languages. It's easier to put a 1 and an arrow than give an explanation of what to do with the part. But anyway, that's the only thing that I would say I didn't enjoy about the kit. So all the chrome pieces, this chrome all looks really nice too. There's just really nice detail. Look at those, the detail on those. Your spares, your wheels, your rims, your wheels, whatever you want to call them. Everything fits so nice. And again, this was 1966. Apparently molds from 1963 or possibly older. But just top-notch quality. And the detail, and this kit is amazing to get it so inexpensive. Here's the engine side of the block. They really hit the nail on the head with their detail. When I say detail, I don't know how accurate it is to actually the real thing, but when I say detail, I mean like the lines are crisp. The bolts on the oil paint is just so nice. Drive shaft and the rear differential, which these old cars had some huge differentials. Here's the interior. Interior's got really nice, look at that, look at the seats, how you could, although it is one piece, you'd have to tape that off, but those would look really nice in a leather color. The texture, wow, that looks so cool. Really nice detail there. This has the long chassis rails. They're no problem to build at all. This Duesenberg, I think this is a supercharger. Ooh, that was pretty close. I think that's a supercharger. Got the big exhaust that comes out the side, goes all the way down. Exhaust tips are made onto it. But I've said this in other videos, I feel like that Monogram did so well at making something so nice be so simple. And I mean, they don't fall together, but they almost do. There's your firewall. Just great detail. And I don't want to just keep saying quality, quality, quality. Even this, look at this, how in the back that was like, had like a pinch. Looks like it'd been pinched together. Maybe when that metal was, they made those fenders, it had sort of a crease back there. They've got that in there. And it's not like a misprint on the plastic because both sides have it. But you guys hunt these kits. If you want to build something that just absolutely is so enjoyable, find you some of these or one of these and build it, and you'll be so glad you did. There's the dual overhead cam straight 8 that this Duesenberg had. Man, these things, they say, were fast for their time. There is the, looks like the dash compartment. Maybe that's for the rear. I don't know if that's the front dash or if that was the, they had a little dashboard for the back seats. I'm not sure. And the roof, and I think that may be the under the floor pan. I'm not sure. And some part of the fuel injection or something like that. And the body here, look at this thing, it's all still on the tree. It was an open box, but oh, this is about to be off the tree. I'll go ahead and, it was an open box. Now that is an odd place to hang a body from the tree. I don't know why they chose that, to put it right there. It's a really small place, but you'd still have to clean that up. That's kind of odd. Very odd that they would hang it from the bottom down there. But nevertheless, gotta have something to complain about. They just did a really good job. Oh, absolutely wonderful job. Put the hood back on my Mercedes over here and pick it up one more time. Okay, I won't put the hood back on. I'll just pick it up. Yeah, this is what, and I'm not saying my model's all that. I'm just saying that you can really appreciate those kits after building one, and they just turn out beautiful. Just turn out absolutely beautiful. And so anyway, this is all I want to say. It's just, I just love those, and I've got quite a few of them. But you guys go out and grab yourself, if you ever run across one, maybe on eBay or someplace, just the old Monogram. I don't know if all the old Monograms are this way, but these particular ones, these old, ended up being museum pieces, editions. These were I don't know if these are all called classics, but anyway, yeah, classic model. I see an older one I have over there, and it says classic. Yeah, so that was this was the series classic. So go grab yourself one of those. You won't be disappointed. You'll have a great time. If you're burnt out on a muscle car or something like that, get one of these and check it out. But I'm going to put this hood on while you guys are watching. See if I can do this. Don't want to break. Can be tricky. Haven't done this in a while. I forget what was the trick. Come on, Matthew, you're wasting my time. I'm sorry. There it goes. There it went. Now, 39 Mercedes and 34 Duesenberg. You guys go check it out. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this. Just, it crossed my mind. Me and my friend Billy Bear were talking about these kits, and he was telling me about the Rolls Royce he was building. It was the same edition, the Classic, but Rolls Royce, and he was told me something about the windshield, and we're just talking about how nice they were. And I just wanted to open this one up. I hadn't showed you this one. I really haven't looked at it very close. I've just put a few things in bags, and I wanted to share with you how nice these are. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for your support. You guys are great. Thank you for watching these videos. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Most of the time I forget to say that, but anyway, thumbs up help the videos tremendously. If you're on someone's video and you like it, give it a thumbs up. And hey, thanks for your support. Check out Facebook group, Model Car Videos Facebook group, linked in the description below, as well as Hobby Nut Models, where the paint for this one came from. That's MCW. I'd have to go back and watch my own video. Anyway, MCW something red, but may have been dark red. That's what it was, I think. It turned out really nice. And go over there, check out Mark's inventory, grab yourself some model kit or some supplies that you may need, linked in the description below. Use the link if you would, that's in my videos. If you do that, then I get credit for if you do buy something, so I'd appreciate that too. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you soon on another one. Take care. Bye.